reviewing keto-friendly products for you and I desperately need to catch up on all things bars, this one will feature the Ratio Keto Bar that I got in the recent Keto Krate. Discount to order Keto Krate in my bio. Today's flavor is Lemon Almond Crunchy Bar, 2 gram net carbs. This is a product by General Mills, so a pretty big manufacturer. 220 calories, sweetened with erythritol and clean ingredients. It smells like lemon. Let's see how it tastes. Crunchy. This totally tastes like lemon cake, but with the texture of a very firm and a bit on the dry side granola bar. Doesn't have sweetener taste, doesn't have the cooling effect so far. No weird aftertaste, it's just lemony, but you can't really taste the nuts. Would I buy it if I saw it in the store? No. Am I gonna finish this after recording this? I might take another bite, I'm not sure I will eat the rest of the bar. Check out more reviews of keto products on the blog and follow, like, and share for more.